Good morning, beautiful, joyful entrepreneurs. How are you this morning? Happy Monday. Hope you had a beautiful weekend. So lovely here. This weather is just delicious. I love it. Bit of rain, a bit of sun, and it's quite mild, which is so lovely. And did so much fulfillment this weekend, soul fulfilling stuff, which allows me to feel even more in overflow today. So I hope you had a beautiful weekend as well and did those things that feed your soul, really rejuvenate your soul. To keep you full up so you're overflowing and giving out from that space of overflow. So today I want, at day 227 of the Be Stubborn series, Never Give Up. A beautiful affirmation that I came across this morning and doing some reading and some journaling was to step more into gratitude. And the way we step more into gratitude is to actually notice when we're out of gratitude. So look at when we judge things. So our brain is very perceptive to be judging things. Am I safe? What's going wrong here? It's always on the defense for us, trying to keep us safe. But the reality is we are safe. So this comes back to that primal brain, which I'm going to be explaining a lot more about in our 2-hour workshop tonight. Live your life with ease, the power of the parasympathetic. So our brain is so wired to go into the sympathetic, which is the opposite of the parasympathetic. So we have to teach it constantly to go back into this parasympathetic nervous system. And it's 7 times more likely to look at the negative than the positive. So straight away, it's always into judgment, judgment, judgment. So I invite you today to have a look and notice what you're judging about yourself, judging about others, judging about your journey, judging about your job, judging about your business, judging about your finances. And just notice it in the moment and then just say this affirmation, whatever it is. I love you exactly the way you are right now. And what that will do will flip your brain out of judgment, put you back into the relaxation zone, relax the muscles, and allow you to come to gratitude for where you are. And what that does is put you into an allowing space where new things, new opportunities can come in. When we're in fear, when we're in stress, it's like we put these massive big walls and it keeps things exactly the way that they are. So when we're able to let go and love things for exactly the way they are, then it allows for opportunities to come up and to us to be grateful, because we just have to rewire that reticular activating system to look for what we're doing well rather than what we're not, where it's not. So then it builds that ability to keep looking for what we do well. And that's what builds self-esteem and self-worth and self-confidence. And when we've got more of that, then we can move further towards our dreams. So have a beautiful day. Have a magic Monday. And if you'd like to get the magic pill, I tell you what, this was the magic pill. When I learned how to access the parasympathetic nervous system, that's what really changed my life. I had very, very bad anxiety, sick in the stomach every single day. And when I learned to access this parasympathetic nervous system, it went away and it just built so much more love and joy and possibility into my life. Mwah. So I'd love to see you tonight. The link's there. Have a beautiful day, and there's lots of you that we'll see tonight, and I really look forward to sharing this new workshop with you. Mwah. Lots of love. Bye.